Hello everyone, welcome back to Decor Anthem. Today, we are diving into international interior design styles that are making their way into Indian homes this year. And stick till the end because some of these will surely surprise you. Let's explore what's trending. First up, Japandi. A mixture of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality, Japandi is all about clean lines, neutral tones, and natural materials like wood, rattan, and linen. In India, this trend is catching on in urban apartments where space is limited. The focus on decluttered living and warm, cozy aesthetics makes it a favorite, especially for those looking for a peaceful home environment. If you have ever dreamed of a Greek island getaway, you'll love this one. Mediterranean design is making a huge splash, bringing arched doorways, rustic textures, and breezy fabrics into Indian homes. Think Moroccan tiles, hand-woven rugs, and statement pottery. This style is especially popular in holiday homes, cafes, and villas where people want that relaxed, sun-kissed look. Minimalism is great, but let's be honest, Indians love color. Enter maximalism. This trend is all about bold colors, layered textures, and statement decor. We are talking velvet sofas, floral wallpapers, and dramatic light fixtures. It's being embraced in luxury apartments, boutique hotels, and influencer homes where self-expression is key. If you love loft-style homes, you'll love industrial chic. Inspired by New York lofts, this trend is bringing exposed brick walls, raw concrete finishes, and black metal accents into modern Indian interiors. More people working from home, industrial-style home offices with open shelving, metal pendant lights, and ergonomic furniture are trending in urban setups. Last but definitely not least, this isn't just a style, it's a lifestyle shift towards nature-inspired living. Green walls, large windows, bamboo furniture. This trend is all about connecting with nature, and in India, where Vastu and wellness play a big role, it's a perfect fit. So, which of these trends do you love the most? Are you Team Japandi, all about maximalism, or do you prefer the Mediterranean charm? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Anthem. We'll be back with more design inspiration next week. See you soon. Goodbye.